Rusher XF690, all-terrain full suspension electric fat bike. It has high-quality 17-inch aluminum frame fitted with the oil spring suspension fork with lockout and 26-inch wheels. A powerful 500-watt brushless motor gives you enough dynamics for any style of ride. It has 3 working modes. In a twist throttle mode, the bike can reach up to 40 kilometers per hour while your legs are resting. Power assisted mode has 5 different speeds, which gives you enough comfort for long-distance trips up to 100 kilometers of range. 7-speed Shimano gear shifting system makes it smooth and easy to ride in a pedal-only mode without the motor involved. The XF690 is equipped with hydraulic disc brakes that help you tackle the different terrains. Safety brakes feature is switching off the motor each time you press the brake lever. With the Rusher XF690, riding uphill is no longer a problem. The powerful motor will help you lift up to 35 degrees with ease. Its fat tires can easily pass through any obstacles, from small branches to even riding up the stairs. The bike has a foldable frame with a hidden replaceable battery. Folded bike can be transported in the trunk. It also has a bright LED headlight powered by the main battery. Rusher XF690 beautifully combines power, versatility, and comfort that pairs perfectly to the rider in any situation.
Are you a daily commuter or a frequent traveler? Are you seeking a new way to get around in the city with more powerful, highly mobile, and portable magic? Stream is back. It is yours. Stream UR is the smoothest folding e-bike for urban exploration. It's fast. It's lightweight. It's foldable. It's unprecedented comfy with patented suspension, providing a smooth riding experience through the crowded city hassle-free. We use advanced magnesium alloy materials to create a futuristic streamlined frame. Magnesium alloys are lighter than aluminum alloys and are more durable and environmentally friendly than carbon fibers. It also greatly reduces the toxic gases and waste liquids produced during the production of carbon fiber. Realize the ultimate pursuit of green travel. The comfort of riding Stream UR is absolutely unprecedented. The unique patented rear suspension makes you addicted to riding, and you don't feel tired even if you ride for a long time. Durability is 3 times higher than traditional hydraulic components. Stream UR is fast and powerful. It provides 5-level electric assist mode to customize your cycling and to strengthen your pedaling. You may also use twist throttle to go full electric riding. Release your feet. Fast riding has never been so easy. Stream UR is so compact that you can carry it anywhere, indoors, upstairs, onto the metro, into office, and your car. The unique powerful magnet suction and bottom roller design so it can walk with you easily. The batteries are hidden in the seat post, the magic mini space for efficient capacity. It can be easily removed for charging or storage. Now, the smoothest folding e-bike is coming. Can't wait to own the joy of urban exploration? Back us on Indiegogo. It is yours.
Our pedals are made to be portable and compact. They can quickly be retracted by pushing the pedal inward first, then down. To obtain maximum range and top speed, ensure that your EB5 is fully charged before riding. This can take up to 5 hours. A little tip: avoid overcharging the battery. So when the EB5's battery is full, it's best to take it off the charger. In some cases, you may notice your throttle becomes difficult to move. This may be a result of your hand grip being too tight. Lightly adjust and this should free it up. Because the EB5 is so foldable, clamps can get loose over time. Tightening the latches is easy, but tighten just enough to offer some resistance when clamping. Seat post clamps work the same way as our stem clamp, so be prepared to adjust when needed. Too much and it will not clasp properly. If you have ridden on uneven terrain, remember that some items will become loose. One such item is the seat. Make sure you carry a set of tools when riding for such an occurrence. Frequently inspect both tires after every ride for signs of puncture and/or damage. At some point in every bike's life, brakes might become loose, affecting stopping time. Sometimes the fix is simply tightening the handbrake. Otherwise, here's a tip for adjusting the front and rear brakes. Locate the brake cable on the brake. Using a pair of pliers and Allen key, loosen the cable. Pull out some slack, but not too much. Once done, tighten and give them a test. The EB5 is a folding commuter e-bike that is compact and fun to ride, but it's better suited for smooth, even pavement. It is not designed for stunts or tricks. If it's raining outside, leave your EB5 at home. The EB5 is rated IPX4 for water resistance, but it's not waterproof. While it can handle occasional splashes, water can still potentially damage the internal parts of the EB5. Have questions or problems with your EB5? For expedited service, you can reach our 5-star customer service team via phone, email, or live chat.